Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate LinkedIn ads conversion tracking for lead gen detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate LinkedIn ads conversion tracking for lead generation, start by logging into your LinkedIn campaign manager. Once you're in, navigate to the specific account where you want to set up conversion tracking. On the left sidebar, look for the Account Assets section. Click on it to expand the menu options. From the menu, select Conversion Tracking. You will then see a button that says Create Conversion. Click on this button to begin the setup process. Next, you'll be prompted to name your conversion. Choose a name that clearly describes the action you want to track. Now, select the type of conversion you are tracking. For lead generation, you might want to choose options like lead or sign up. After this, you will set the conversion value. You can assign a monetary value to each lead, or select no value if that's not applicable. Proceed by defining how to track the conversion. Select whether the conversion will be based on clicks or impressions of your ads. Then, you will see an option to set the conversion window. This allows you to specify how long after an interaction to count a conversion. Next, you need to add the conversion tracking code to your website. LinkedIn will provide a snippet of code for you to implement. Follow the instructions to insert this code into the relevant section of your website. If using a tag manager, choose that option for ease of integration. Once the code is implemented, return to the conversion tracking setup on LinkedIn. Mark the box indicating that you've installed the tracking code. Next, review all the settings and make adjustments if necessary. If everything looks good, click on the Create button to finalize the conversion tracking setup. Your conversion tracking is now active and will start gathering data. Monitor your analytics in the Campaign Manager to evaluate performance over time. Make adjustments to your campaigns as needed based on the conversion data you receive. This setup helps optimize your ad spend for better lead generation results. With these steps, you are well on your way to effectively tracking conversions on LinkedIn ads. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.